Spending last day of 2023 making art prints for Patreon Artwork Mail Club, and some last moment work before the end of the year, and also before flying away, with the entire family. Hey everyone, welcome back to Kristine Art Channel. Today is a special day because we're taking you along on our family vacation to Dubai. And of course, we're bringing my art supplies with us for some creative adventures. But first, let's get ready for our journey. Packing my art supplies is a must for any trip. I never know when inspiration will strike, or will I even have the opportunity to paint. But I need my art supplies with me everywhere I go.
Cheese.
Cheese. It's always exciting when we embark on a new adventure together. Lots of stuff to be done, lots of packing, repacking, and trying to stay sane during this process. I love family trips. They are filled with adventure and memories to keep for a lifetime. But these trips are also quite stressful, meaning no me time, no quiet time, no lazy mornings, no peaceful restaurant visits, no reading on the plane. Well, everything is around kids. Okay, Mari, where are we heading to?
Dubai.
Dubai.
Yeah.
Oh, and where we will be celebrating New Year?
In the airplane.
The anticipation is building, and I can't wait to see what Dubai has in store for us. New day has just started. New day and new year. Happy New Year! Welcome to Dubai. So crowded, and wherever you look, everything is man-made. But let's find a place where nature exists. This all is also man-made and doesn't look so natural, but still, this is like a breath of fresh air after a few days in the center of Dubai, where only buildings, fast cars, electric trains passing by, and lots of busy people running back and forth. It is a very crowded place, but I still managed to find an empty spot and do watercolor mixing notes for my sketchbook project of 2024, Exploring Nature's Palette, a Year of Art and Observations. I will tell you more about this project in my upcoming videos. But for now, I will enjoy this garden and these colors before getting back to skyscraper paradise.